His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah bin Saif Al Mahrouki, Deputy Governor of Dhofar, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, we'd like to welcome you to the Indo-Oman Business Seminar hosted by His Excellency Anil Bhadwa, Ambassador of India to the Sultanate of Oman.
His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah Saif Al Mahrouki, the Deputy Governor of Dhofar, distinguished guests. Let me first of all welcome all of you at this second India-Oman Business Seminar in Salalah. Some of you were here last year and you would recall that we met in similar circumstances. Now today you will be briefed about opportunities of doing business with India and several aspects of bilateral economic and commercial relations between our two countries. So this event actually is a part of a series of 4 seminars this year. First has already been concluded by us last month in Nizwa with a big response, very big response from the local business community in Nizwa. And the embassy organized its first business seminar in Salalah in April last year. And our continued focus on Salalah is because of its historical and strategic importance for trade and business. Indian business is also looking for its expansion and is searching for partners in order to increase its trade and business in Oman. Bilateral trade between India and Oman has reached $4.5 billion during April 2009 to March 2010, which is the Indian financial year. And India is the second best market destination for Oman's non-oil exports. These commercial engagements and historical relations have made Oman an admirable second home for more than 573,000 Indians. This expatriate workforce serves as a bridge between India and Oman, contributing to wealth and prosperity for both our countries. A joint effort between India and Oman has also been signed on 12th of December during the visit of the Deputy Chairman of the Planning Commission of India, Mr. Dr. Montek Singh Ahluwalia, and His Excellency Muhammad Al Zubair, Advisor to His Majesty the Sultan for Economic Planning Affairs. These 9 areas include infrastructure, construction, power generation, telecommunication, information technology, healthcare and pharmaceutical, fertilizers, tourism, education and transport sectors. To support such initiatives, an Indo-Oman Joint Investment Fund with a seed capital of $100 million going up to $1.5 billion has also been finalized in July last year. This will start functioning as of the end of this month. I convey my sincere greetings to His Majesty Sultan Qaboos bin Said Al Said and his government. I express my sincere gratitude to His Excellency Sheikh Abdullah Saif Al Mahrouki, Deputy Governor of Dhofar, for his kind consent to grace the occasion as our chief guest today. I also convey my sincere thanks to the Salalah branch of Oman Chamber of Commerce and Industry for their cooperation and support in the organization of this event. I thank all of you for sparing a valuable time with us today, and I hope our interaction will result in further growth of bilateral trade exchanges between India and Oman. Thank you very much.
I thank His Excellency Anil Bhadwa, Ambassador of India, for arranging this gala evening to promote business opportunities between India and Oman, thus giving a chance to Salalah Indian community to be a part of this Indo-Oman business meet. Thank you, His Excellency. I thank all His Excellencies, Director Generals of all the ministries and other dignitaries present here for accepting our invitation to grace this evening. Thanks to the audience for turning up in large numbers to attend this function. Long live Oman-India friendship. Thank you.